Can AI predict how many views MrBeast video has survived 50 hours in maximum security prison will get in 2 weeks' time? Let's get straight into it. Many have tried to beat the YouTube algorithm, but only a few have managed. Myself, I've spent hours and hours studying the algorithm. After trying advice from Reddit and other YouTubers, I've managed to get only 5 subscribers and 61 views. Have I cracked the algorithm? No, I am far from it. But can AI beat the YouTube algorithm? To find out, I spent hours and hours gathering tons and tons of data about the biggest YouTubers that have beat the algorithm. I gathered data from MrBeast, PewDiePie, T-Series, and many other YouTubers. Now that I have the data, I begin coding up the AI algorithm to give it one challenge and one challenge only. How many views will a video get given the title and description? The AI starts crunching through the data to figure out the YouTube algorithm. After hours and hours of data crunching, the AI seems to have figured out how YouTube works. Now, can the AI predict how many views I survived 50 hours in maximum security prison will get in 2 weeks' time? The AI has given its prediction. Is it right? Let's find out after 2 weeks. Get me to 10 subscribers by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on this video.